Hey guys, it's Unc0ver 5.0.1 here, and today we're going to tell you how to fix this error when you're trying to do a software update. This could be when you jailbroke your phone and it wouldn't work. So if you still have Unc0ver installed, you will need that because that's a free option. There was one on Reddit that explained how to fix it, but you would have to pay. This is the free option, but you need Unc0ver version 5.0.1 if you look at the very bottom of the screen under re-jailbreak. So then what you want to do is you might have disable auto updates off. You want to turn that on. But if you want to restore rootfs, you want to do that too if you want to update to a newer version. Just make sure you reinstall Unc0ver once you're done. So when you turn on disable auto update and then click re-jailbreak or restore rootfs, it should be fixed. Then you want to click cancel and then you want to click OK. Now that you did that, you want to go to settings, general, software update, and it shouldn't display the error of unable to update. If you're on an older version of Unc0ver, then just turn that off and see if that fixes it. And if it doesn't, I don't know how to help right now. But yeah, it should say this so you can update to the newest version. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please leave a like, and I'll see you guys next time.